Dr. Paul, I'm referring Mr. George to you for a consultation regarding his persistent knee pain. He's been experiencing discomfort and swelling for several months.
Thank you, Dr. Mihira. I'll schedule an appointment for Mr. George as soon as possible. Could you provide me with more details about his medical history?
Certainly. Mr. George has a history of hypertension and diabetes. He's also had previous knee injuries, including a torn ACL.
I see. Has he undergone any previous knee surgeries?
Yes, he had a knee arthroscopy a few years ago to repair the torn ACL.
Thank you for the information, Mihira. I'll review his medical records and determine the appropriate course of action. It's possible that the knee pain is related to his previous injury or a new condition.
I agree. A thorough evaluation is necessary to identify the underlying cause and develop a treatment plan.
Mihira, I want you to know that your decision to quit smoking is an act of profound courage, and it is absolutely possible for you to succeed. Rather than focusing on an all-or-nothing goal overnight, let's think in terms of realistic, gentle steps forward. Many people find that creating a personalized quitting plan works best, one that honors your unique triggers and daily rhythms. For example, if you always smoke with your morning coffee or after a meal, try shifting that routine slightly. Drink your coffee in a different room, or go for a short, mindful walk right after eating. The urge to smoke often passes within minutes, so having a few go-to activities ready can make all the difference. You might keep a small object in your hand, like a stress ball or a smooth stone, or call a friend who supports you. Physical activity is especially powerful. Even stretching or a few deep breaths outdoors can reset your mind and body. Remember, if you have a slip, it is not a failure. It is information about what to adjust next. You are learning a new way of caring for yourself, and every smoke-free minute is a victory. I believe in your strength, and you do not have to do this alone.